Okay then. Well, Boxxo, let's go back. Congratulations. Okay, that's why you say yes. This is probably one of walking distance I want to make. So yeah, we need to find a camp spot again. Ah, it feels like it's really nighttime. I wonder if I make some marshmallows. Um, hmm, it's so good, isn't it? Hey, someone make a mushroom and it's really good too. Okay, I need to have a sleeping bag so I can just sleep naked. She's gotta change. Okay, I'm going to sleep now. Good night night. Wow, she's already asleep. I'm gonna go to sleep too. That's all.